How are you? I'm just back. Thank you so much. Just let me program now. Here we are going to program the new keys for Mitsubishi Pajero Sport 2024. This is the new case and this is the customer key, and let's program it. Works. This one not. Okay, so now this key has been succeeded. Now let's program the other one. So the other one is also done. There you go. Both keys working. Two keys ready. All done. Everything is done. So you already paid me $295, so the balance is $295, right? Yeah, easy. Just received the money as well. I already checked it. Just send me a screenshot just in case. No worries, man. Easy. Other thing is, I'm just recording the video just for making the keys. That's all. Is that all right? Thank you, man.